Welcome everybody. My name is Mitch, and this is the first episode of Deco Safari. We're on the road this morning, heading to Nocona, Texas, a town of about 3,000. There's an interesting Art Deco building in Nocona I've been wanting to check out for a while. And while we're there, we'll see what else we can find. Nocona, Texas is an easy 90-minute drive from Dallas. Founded in 1887, it's located near what was once the last stop on the Chisholm Trail before crossing the Red River. My first stop in town, 217 Coffee, a great local coffee shop with a friendly staff and delicious baked goodies. The coffee was just what I needed before heading out to the Nocona Boot Factory. This is it, an Art Deco factory, combining elements of streamlined modern with a traditional Art Deco tower in the middle. The factory was built by Enid Justin, the founder of the Nocona Boot Company in 1948. The architect was Sylvan B. Hayes. Over 1,000 locals attended the groundbreaking ceremony on a very hot July day in 1947. Today, the restored building is home to a boot company, a beer and brewery, and more. I had to look a little harder to find more Art Deco in Nocona, but my search paid off. This is the Horton Classic Car Museum, home of the one-of-a-kind 1955 Corvette station wagon. The museum also contains some fantastic Jazz-age automobiles. Some of these vehicles feature flowing aerodynamic fenders and other Art Deco-inspired design details. These cars reflect the elegant luxury of the Art Deco movement. But wait, there's more Art Deco. I stumbled across this storage garage with a design that could have been inspired by the streamlined modern lines of the Nocona Boot Factory. As the Texas sun began to set, I returned to the boot factory for a second look. Up on the roof, I got to inspect the traditional Art Deco details on the central tower. Before heading home, I decided to have dinner at the Nocona Beer and Brewery, inside the factory building. My brisket baked potato was every bit as good as it looks. Let's take one last look at this Art Deco treasure in Nocona, Texas.